Hi, this is Lucy from Designs for Growth. I just wanted to show you a recent update to Squarespace to the main navigation, which is quite a change. So I thought it was worth going through it for you. So when you first log into the back end, usually at the top you would see the Pages menu followed by the Design menu. If you're still seeing that, you can ignore this tutorial. It's not for you. But if you're seeing website at the top, that means that the change has been implemented on your site. So the design menu is gone. I'll show you how to get there in a moment. But first of all, let's have a look at this website menu. So if I click on website, so at the top, you can see that we're basically back into your pages navigation, which are your pages menu, which you would have had before. And so at the top, you see your main navigation, which is all the pages usually that appear across the top of your website. So I just have one dummy page up here now called Home. So that's what we're seeing. If you're using Squarespace member areas, you will see that navigation below. And then you have your not linked section, which is where you see all the pages on your website that are not found in your main navigation. So there could be a link to them from a button on your website or maybe from your footer navigation, but they're pages that do not appear across the top here in your main nav. And then what's new is below that, this utilities area. So this is what's brand new. And basically these are quick links to settings that you already have in your or had before in your main website settings, but now they've basically given us quick links to these areas from this website menu. So if I click on system pages, this is where you get access to your 404 page. So that's a page where people arrive if they mistype a URL to get to your website, or if they land on a broken link, they land on your 404 page. So you can pick any page from your website to be your 404 page, or you can have a custom 404 page which says something like, oops, you've landed on a bad link, click here to go home, or something like that. So your 404 page is now in this system pages area. Your access denied page, so if you are using member areas and somebody tries to log in but doesn't actually have access to your member area, then they'll get presented with the access denied page. So to get into that, you now go into here. Your checkout page, so basically this gives you, why don't I have anything in here? Here it is. It took a moment to load. This basically gives you quick access to the site styles for your checkout page. Now, again, you still have access to this in your overall site design settings, but this basically gives you quick access to that if you wanted to change the site styles for your checkout page. And then your lock screen, that's the page that people come across if they're trying to log into a page that has a password on it. So you can update the branding and the text, the style, and so on as usual. I mean, this isn't anything new. It's just now located in a new place. It used to be in the design menu. The design menu has effectively gone. So this is how you get into your lock screen page. So that's the system pages. If I go back a step, so website tools. So this is now, again, this used to be in the design menu. This, well, some of this was in the design menu. Your custom CSS, this is just a dummy site, so I have no custom CSS code in here, but this is where you would go to find that. Your code injection, so this is where we plug in code for, say, Google Analytics or any external plugins that we might have installed on your site. In your header or your footer, that code is now in here. Your mobile information bar, so this is information that you can show on the mobile version of your website. So again, this is still in your overall site settings, but you have quick access to it here now from the website tools menu. So on mobile, if you want to show a quick link to your phone number or your email, or show where you're located, or if you're maybe a retail business, show your business hours, you can update all of that in here in the mobile information bar. And then your cookies and visitor data, previously this was in your settings menu, and that's now here. Now if you're in Ireland, we probably have a third-party cookie we probably have a third-party cookie banner on your website. So you should have your Squarespace banner turned off. Anyway, that's a conversation for another day. But that access to that is now in this website tools menu, which is new. And then trash, this is where you can access your deleted pages. So they used to be, let me just move this around. Let me get rid of this. Let me see if they're still where they used to be. Yeah, so they used to be in the bottom of the pages menu. There used to be a trash can, as the Americans say, down here. Now it's in this utilities section. If you go to trash, any pages that you've deleted will be in here. So if you remember, Squarespace holds deleted pages for up to 6 months, I believe. So if you do accidentally delete a page on your website, you can find it in the deleted pages menu, which, as I say, used to be down here. There used to be a trash can at the bottom of your pages menu, and now it's actually called trash, and it's in this utilities section. So that is a whistle-stop tour through the changes to the navigation on your Squarespace website. I hope you find that useful. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.